The reason I don't point, because it's dangerous. Windows are popping up and doors, so anything could go unlock or lock, forward and reverse, basically. God bless you, people. Be safe.